Cooking chicken and a dozen of free-range eggs. Thanks, keep the change. Whistling a tune. I'm home. What a perfect day. I hang the sheets out in the yard. Load up my baking tray. Thinking about you, mother, to recite her famous words. I need a salt and pepper to taste the happiness of life forever. Then the moon rose and cream lemon chicken roasted in the oven and then block it down my front door. Hey, who, what, why? You violated Act 617. But that's your own direction. We all know the real answer was you shouldn't have been born the way you were. And we're packed in a cargo choo-choo train, squeezing against